So, big picture, negative double belongs to responder, right? So that's why it's the best toy ever for responder. And it's when partner opens one of a suit. Okay, so one club, one diamond, one heart, one spade. And then the responder's right-hand opponent overcalls a suit. So it has to be suit, suit. If one no trump is opened, doesn't work. If one no trump is overcalled, doesn't work. It has to be suit, suit. And the shape of the responder's hand and the values for the negative double depend on the auction. And that's what we're going to explore. There's 5 types of hands that the negative double can help responder bid once there's been an intervening bid over their partner's opening bid. So we're going to work through these 5 types just to run through them quickly here, and then we're going to break them down. Type number 1 is the support for both unbid suits. Now that is the original negative double, way back when, super old convention, back when Stayman was first developed. And the 2 unbid suits, and that's how it got its name. Partner, I don't have the 2 suits on the table. I have the other 2 suits. There we go, the negative double. Over the decades, though, we've found that responders really out of the picture in a lot of hands when there's an overcall by the right-hand opponent. So we've started to put in different shaped hands and different point value hands in the negative double. Now, big idea, if you take one thing away from today's lesson, is that the negative double has different levels of floors, base floors, but is totally unlimited, aside from one type number 3 that we see there. Okay, so totally unlimited. You could have 20 high card points. That's just, I get a lot of questions. Well, I thought the negative double was for weak hands. No. It can be for a wide range of hands, and we're going to look at all of those different ranges today as well. So the second type of negative double, the next one that was added a while ago, is the support for the unbid major and partner's opening minor. So your partner's opened a minor, your right-hand opponent has overcalled a major, and now you say double. You're saying, I have the unbid major and I have support for your minor partner. Now, again, you don't know until the rebid which of these 5 types you have. And we'll take a look at what opener does in response to the negative double. Well, at this point, what opener does is they assume that you have type 1 and they rebid accordingly. And then on your rebid as responder, you say, oh no, it wasn't type 1. Oh no, it wasn't type 2. It wasn't type 3. It wasn't type 4. It was type 5, right? So you further describe your hand on the rebid. The third type is the weakest type, and that looks like a preemptive opening bid. If you say to you as responder, it goes suit, suit, and you would like to bid your suit, but you don't have enough points to bid it at the 2 level, right? Because in a competition, you need 11 plus total points to bid at the 2 level. Then you go through the negative double and come back and rebid your suit. And it looks like a weak 2 bid, what you would have opened if you'd been the first person to bid. Type 4 is the 3-card raise of partner's major. So in type 4, partner has to have opened a major and there is an overcall. And now with 4-card support, you can Q bid, right? Over a double, you can use the Jordan 2-no. But when you have 3-card support, you have to use your negative double to show 1 less card than your direct raise would show. And then type 5 is basically, it's a hand you'd like to just bid 3-no, but you don't have a stopper.